wave 1D, 1D. Let's some part of a string. This position, suppose we have coordinate axis. This segment had wave. First of all, we will derive equation of wave for 1D, but in our syllabus we have simple harmonic wave. So let's derive general equation of wave, one dimensional wave. Suppose this is part of a string. This point has coordinate x and another point x plus delta x, and this segment is very small, so one can take y coordinate like this, just like point mass. Suppose for simplicity we will assume both ends of the string has same tension. Let's say T, and suppose this angle is theta plus delta theta, and this segment has also tension T. If displacement is not very big, then this approximation can be taken. And suppose this angle is theta. Now resolve tension here and here into two parts, x as well as y. So here what will be the component of tension along y? Positive y or negative y? Negative y. T has two component. So let me write minus T sin theta or cos theta, sin theta, y component, and another net force on segment of a string along positive y, positive direction of y axis, minus T sin theta, and here positive or negative? Positive. T sin theta plus delta theta. As theta is very small, so this can be approximated by theta minus T theta and plus T theta plus del theta. Already we know that theta be small, then sin theta can be approximated by what? Theta. So this expand minus T theta plus T theta plus T delta theta. This goes. So ultimately we have Fy T delta theta. Suppose here mu is given. Mu is mass per unit length. Mu is what? Mass per unit length. Mass per unit length. Now we apply Newton's second law. Fy is equal to mass into acceleration. So here F is equal to T del theta is equal to, let's calculate mass of this segment of the string. Suppose this separation is delta x. So tell me mass delta x into mu, because this mu is mass per unit length. So dm into acceleration can be written as y double dot d2y upon dt square, or T del theta is equal to dm mu into del x. This can be replaced by delta m better way, because we have here delta x and y double dot. Now see here we will draw a tangent line, and this angle makes theta del y upon del x. Why so? Because y is in general function of x and t, so we are going to use partial derivative symbol. Now we differentiate. Above equation with respect to x. So, what is derivative of tan theta? Sec square theta into d theta upon dx, and right side we have del 2y upon del x square, or this can be written as 1 upon cos square theta d theta upon dx del 2y upon del x square. As theta is small, so this goes to 1. So ultimately we have d theta upon dx del 2y upon del x square. Loosely, if delta theta be small, so d theta can be approximated by del theta, and same way dx can be approximated by del x. So next step we have del theta upon del x is equal to del 2y upon del x square. Yes. Now put here value of delta x. Now we put here value of delta x, or t del theta is equal to mu delta x, or better say one can put value of delta theta, it will be easier. So find here value of del theta. So del theta into del 2y upon del x square is equal to, one moment, del theta into, sorry, divided by delta x. So this side comes del theta and this side comes del 2y upon del x square into delta x. Now this value substitute here. This value, so t in place of del theta we will substitute this del 2y upon del x square into delta x, mu into delta x into y double dot. So this delta x can be cancelled. So in next step we have d del 2y upon del x square is equal to mu, and y double dot can be written as d2y upon dt square. Or t upon mu, now we divide both sides by mu. So in next step we have t upon mu del 2y upon del x square is equal to mu upon mu get cancelled, del 2y upon del t square. And we have one more relation, v is equal to under root t upon mu, where v is velocity of wave. So squaring both sides, v square is equal to t upon mu. So t upon mu can be replaced by what? V square. So we have v square del 2y upon del x square is equal to del 2y upon del t square. Or let's transfer v square that side, or del 2y upon del x square is equal to 1 upon v square del 2y upon del t square, which is general equation of wave in differential form. It is general equation of wave in differential